This is what's there in Chennai. Let's do a vlog. This is what's there in Chennai. Same in Chennai city center. But Chennai costs you 6,000 rupees. How many? How much? 6,000. Here it is just 2,000. Same. Don't talk, just listen. Same. Just listen. Just listen, don't talk. Okay. This room is same. It's very same as in Chennai. The place that I stayed 2 days before is the same. Nothing is different. But that costs you 6,000. This in city center of Indonesia costs you just 2,000 Indian rupees. Wow. Ibis Kuta. Ibis Kuta. Ibis Kuta is very cost effective